It's finally time. I've been talking about this for a while in a couple of videos, but it's time I actually show you the results. Today, we upgrade my girlfriend's setup from floor to ceiling. Well, maybe not ceiling, but definitely the part that connects the ceiling to the wall, that one. And we're doing it on your boot sequence. So I have this room at my place that I use as an office. My PC has been there for the longest time, and so has my girlfriend's PC. The room was kind of trashed from the previous owners, and I never really took the time to fix it up. Partly because of laziness, and partly because we plan on remodeling the entire place in the future, so I thought, we'll wait for that. The problem, it's been a couple of years now, and I'm kind of tired of it looking like crap. So while my girlfriend is out visiting some family this weekend, I'm gonna go put as much lipstick as I can on this pig. Let's start with paint. Now, I'm a guy, don't know if she'll like the colors. She can always repaint if she wants to, but I tested a coral accent wall on that wall on the right here because she really likes Kirby. Not sure if that's exactly Kirby colored, but man, I tried. That's her PC, by the way, and an art project that she had going on. She's got a couple of these mannequins around the house, like 7 of them, and I think I should build a PC in them. I don't know why, the PC builder in me wants to do it. Let me know down below if you'd like to see that. It could be a cool project. Then let's address the horrible flooring. I'm going to be covering the hardwood floors with some vinyl planks that I got on the cheap. And wait before you tell me that I could just refinish them. Let's take a look at the actual hardwood floor. I took a video while I was covering up the floor, like in the middle of the job, and this is what it looked like. I mean, that's not even water damage. The wood is just completely fricked. Anyways, I found this flooring on liquidation at a super deep discount. I think it was like $8 a box instead of 80, and it took me 8 boxes to cover the whole room. So yay for a $64 floor. That's a good deal. I even got extra boxes in the shed in case I want to do something else. Maybe like an apartment PC theme thing with like flooring at the... The room is pretty acoustically bad, and one quick way to fix that is a rug. I got that one at IKEA. It goes a huge way in dampening echoes, and it prevents the chair from sliding since the floor is a little bit slanted towards the right. Now that the basics of the room is done, let's get some of the essentials in there. First, the desk. I made a video about this one. It's the Flexispot E7. It's a beautiful sit-stand desk. It's motorized, and yeah, I wouldn't recommend it less. That means you should buy it. Anyways, you might have noticed that she had a Carlby before. Yeah, she wanted something a little bit deeper because her monitor's legs have pretty long feet, kind of like this one here, and they jut out the front, so this desk will do since it's about 30 inches deep. Her desktop PCs goes on here. It's an i5 and an EVGA 3060 Ti. I didn't want to go super high on the CPU, mostly because of this bad boy. This is an Acer Predator X27. It's 4K, so that's why the GPU was more important than the CPU. It's 144 Hz, and it's absolutely overkill for her. But hey, I had it, and I like the lady, so yeah. Plus, she said she wanted to play more graphically intense games like Control or whatever the next Assassin's Creed will be. So yeah, she got that now. For the keyboard, to match the wall, I'm using the IROK FE74. And for the mouse, she already had a DAREU EM901. I got videos on both of these products if you want to check them out. They're both really good bangs for your buck. And oh, I almost forgot, a nice mouse mat to match the dark wall should work. Once again, I'm not an interior designer, neither do I claim to be one, so maybe it's gonna look horrible at the end. She did mention streaming, or at least being able to, use push to talk or voice chat with others in games, so I gave her the Comica Adcaster and mic kit that I reviewed a couple of videos ago. I told you before, this thing is awesome. For the chair, I found this ergo chair on Amazon. I hope that she likes it because the last time I tried to return a chair, disassembling it, like removing the bottom from the piston, was an absolute nightmare. I do not want to live through that again. Then we have the cherry on top of everything. I got her a brand new Xbox Series X fridge. It's a fridge. I found it on liquidation at Walmart. I think it uses a Peltier chip to cool. Super inefficient, but whatever. It looks cool. Maybe I'll build a PC in it. Now, that's a nice setup, right? but we're not done yet. We need more stuff. I ordered these grid things on Amazon to put on the pink wall. I thought it would look pretty cool on that bare wall, and I could hang some pictures of the doggos and stuff. And that brings me to the other bare wall. I remember that she took a nice picture of some flowers that I bought her a couple of years ago, so I blew that up, did some DLSS upscaling on it, and I printed a huge poster version of it. And that's pretty much it. Oh, well, now I just got to put more tchotchkes around, like, I don't know, plushies and amiibos and stuff. I'll do that real quick, and then we're ready for the reveal with, you know, you'll be able to see my girlfriend. Anyways, let's go do that. Sit. Oh, go ahead, sit. Does it feel different?
Whoa, where's my chair? Okay. This is not my chair.
Okay. Keep your eyes closed. Turning you around. Going forward a little bit. Okay.
How?
So I'm gonna bring this down a little bit. Okay, and
What is bright here?
3,
What
2,
is bright here?
Don't worry about it. 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes.
Oh! Cool!
It's nice, right?
Cool!
The dogs can be at the bottom or whatever.
Cool! My desk is me size.
Yeah. It's the desk that we built together, so you can actually lower it and bring it up and down. Yeah, this is something that I've noticed while I did it. The mouse mat is absolute crap, and unfortunately it seems like the chair is crap too, right?
Yeah, I don't like the arms.
Yeah, don't worry, we'll get you another one. This one's kind of, oh my god, I can't believe I'm gonna have to return another chair. Anyways, okay, and now go ahead, do my outro. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like if you liked it, and comment if you want to talk about today's story. This dog, man. Anyways, you can click right here to see the latest video, right here to subscribe to the channel. Stay frosty,
my dudes, and I'll see you on the next one.
Take care.